Go. There it went. I still don't know where the lady is that I'm supposed to— oh shit. That I'm supposed to fight. Oh! Oh! It's an Aurora Borealis outside! Wow. Give him a little smooch, give me— mwah. Mwah. I read it was a lady. I read it was a lady. I don't know where she is. Hello, Blue! Oh no. Ah! Ah! Oh. I thought— ah! Where are you? Where'd it go? See you. Yeah, you can see it all now. I got rid of the overlay. I got rid of it. Because everyone was like, it's in the way, I can't see stuff. I was like, aw. I didn't mean for that to I didn't mean for that to stop it! I'm trying to talk to people! Okay, anyway. Everybody was like, it no worky, I can't see, and I'm like, aw. So I changed it. Oh, hi. Y'all can stay up there if you want. Don't let me bother you. Oh, all these came back? Oh, all these came back. So is she back? And if so, where is she? Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, this is a little bit more dangerous. That's a little bit more danger goose. Where's your leader, dude? That's all I'm looking for. Ah! Watch her not be even, like, high up. Watch her be below. Like, way down below. I don't remember the stairs being like that. Oh god. No. Go. Get out of here. No! Stop. Ah. Meow meow meow. Nya nya nya. Thank you for the 35 stream streak. I appreciate it. Ah. Oh, see, that one didn't come back. That one didn't come back. Hello, Connor. Welcome to the garden. Hi, hi, hi. How are you? Down. I'm down. Okay, let's think. Where could she be? Oh, wow. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Oh yeah, I have no fall I have no fall damage. I don't know why I'm yelling. Look at the outside. That's different. It's so pretty. Okay. She who resides in the Aurora Castle, come fight me. Because I can't find you. I don't want to blow more freaking holes in here. It's just a big old giant mage. In the ivy biome. I'm just trying to make the story progress. I have Yeti fur and scales that I'm holding on to, because apparently they let me cross barriers of sorts. Do you know where the residential person is for this castle, sir? No? This. Torch berries. Spider eyeballs. All the stuff. Hello, Uncle Imp. Thank you for the head pats. Thank you, thank you. I'm doing good. Owie. I'm like kind of hurting, but I'm okay. What is that? I don't trust it. I don't trust it. Oh, damn. I don't want the lily pads. Stop giving them to me. Oh, yeah, eventually. What the hell? I don't want to go down there. That doesn't look right. That doesn't look- that looks like a trap. That looks like a trap. Bro, that's a trap. That is straight up a trap. What happens if I fall down there? Hurting? Oh yeah, I'll survive. Don't worry about it, man. I'm just sick, and when I'm sick, that kind of takes an extra bit of ow on my body than it typically does, which is nice. Not really. I'm just saying it's nice. It kind of sucks ass. My voice sounds beautiful. Oh, thank you. I don't even know what it is. I thought that I was getting like a little bit better last night. Could I fill it up with wool? I don't have a bucket. I've no buckets. I'm bucketless. That would be a lot of buckets of water. Is that like the point? Do I need to fill it up with water? Not necessarily. There's a bunch of other people in the server. I'm just scared of them. No, but you could. I feel like that's a trap to catch me and take me somewhere. Hello, Altio! Welcome to the garden. Hi, hi, hi. How are you? One long head pat. The longest. The longest. I just forgot to turn it off. Don't worry about it. How far is that? Eh. Oh, okay. Okay. Well, we can't even see the what I threw. That's how long it is. Alright. Well, that's interesting. I don't know what that's about, but that's interesting. And there's no angry teddy bear with a book of wisdom to chastise me and be like, "Ah, read this book, you illiterate son of a This is why you can't go over there right now." Oh, okay. Thank you, angry bear. I appreciate your transparency. Hello? Where is she? Elsa. God damn it, this is getting redundant. You better be in here. This better be your tower, lady. Okay, I've picked up that set. The glass sword. What is that even used for? This ain't it. Where is she? Oh no, someone got struck by lightning. While fighting a skeleton. My goodness. Oh, I wonder if that was a spell. Is this it? I think this might be it. This is different. Elsa? Elsa? Is this where you're hiding, lady? Oh! Hello. Water up here? Is there water up here? Is this where she's hiding? Oh, come on. Don't do me like that. Don't do me like that. Let me up. Be nice to me. I got really large jump. Got my bunny hoppers on, man. I feel like she's this way. Oh yeah, that's her spawner right there. Okay. Oh snap. I think we found her. You think she's gonna kick my ass? You think she's gonna kick my ass? I'm a little nervous. Oh yeah, this is it. Whoa! Oh, you're so cool! Well, that missed. Horribly. Come on, let me set it off one more time. That didn't do anything to you. Where are you going? Oh no! Oh no, wait! Hold on, let me get it for you so you can come back inside. No! Don't leave us. You're not supposed to leave. Oops. I think I broke her, you guys. Did it fix it? No! I broke her! She's broken! She's down there. Did I see you? Oh my god! There she is! Where are you going? Fight me! Eh! Come back. Where are you going? Yeah, I feel like that's evil snow. Oh, yeah, you don't like Fireball, huh? I thought you wouldn't. I feel like you're supposed to be moving a lot faster. Do I have my lag debuff back? With my non-floating wig, yeah. Oh, she's covering me in snow. Stop snowing on me. Oh, that hit her. I think. Yeah, it did. It didn't take a lot from her, though. Test it and let it snow? No. While the majority of my hit does get sent back to them, I don't like having to use that to my advantage. It ends like the Lich King did, with me dying at least once or twice. Yeah, I think that's supposed to be like evil snow. Let's see. Gonna hurt me? Not really. Oh, it makes her sit on me. Well, that's awkward. Build up. She did not like that. We've almost got her. Ah! Bitch! Hey, come back. Are you seriously trying to go back in there? I thought you would come back down as soon as I flung that at you. Oh, we're so close. Can you just... I've almost got her. Please. Please. Come on. Done it. Finally, I've done it. You b- There we go, yeah. Whoa, lots of snowballs, and I have a tri-bow. I don't know what that does. Snow Queen trophy. I have more bombs for my arsenal. What does a tri-bow do? Do I need... arrows. Okay, I did it. Look at that. It's so pretty. Alright, I have her head and a tri-bow. What do I do with that? Was I supposed to take some of the snow? What do I do now? I've defeated her. It took me a second, but I did it. These are like the first ever boss fights I have ever done for Minecraft ever. No. Stop blowing your hot air at me. Uh-oh. I'm a hamster. Is that okay? I'm not a wolf. I'm a hamster. Is that a big ass spider? What is that? What is that? I joined a party. I don't know what we're doing. Thank you for joining. I didn't have people. That's okay, I don't have people either. Hey, you want to give me a book for this area? Oh, thanks. Why did I get those achievements when someone else did it? Oh, he didn't. Wait, did he give me a book? No, he didn't. He gave me more glowstone dust. I don't need that. I need answers. I need answers. We're safe. We're safe. We're okay. We're okay. We're at home. Oh my goodness. Okay, whatever it was over there. Because I'm not lagging nearly as bad as I was. Maybe it's the amount of mobs that are in there. Oh, wow. Living the lag. Yes. Oh. It's my party members. They're all the way over there. I just casually have her head up in my house. It's fine. Well, I don't know if I need those. All the weapons for the siege. It's so sparkly! Yay! Okay. That was nice. I loved that, actually. Hi. Can you go? Thanks. Oh! What did you dig down here? Fellow hamster. I like your tunnels. Where are we going? Oh, hello. Oh my god. It's like my back rooms, but it has a lot more color to it. You built these going all over the place. This is sick. We're allowed to do this? Will it spit me out inside of a big old cave? I hope it does. I hope it does. Let me look while we're running. Yeah. Yeah, we can do that. I see a box of some sort on the map. Thank you for the lurkin'. I hope you have a wonderful evening while you're here. Drink some Wawa. I'm gonna drink some Wawa. Oh! This one goes lower. My favorite. Whee! Where are we going? Okay, so this is where this ends. That seems to go directly into a really big cave, which is nice. I love tunnels. Yeah. Crap. Nether depths upgrade. Oh, nice. I got really unlucky and I teleported into a fortress. I was surrounded. I was surrounded. Here we go. Thank you for your tunnels, friend. Okay. I can see that. What is that? What the hell is that on the map? What is it? What is it? I am intrigued. And there's wood right there. Aha, I knew it. Mine shaft. Oh god, wait, it's a mine shaft. Oh no. There's ghosts in here. Now I'm scared. I just heard one. Don't do it again. Don't do it again. Don't do it again. I'm begging you, do not do it again. I turned my voice chat on. Please don't do it again. I need water. I'm gonna cry if they do it again. Don't. I'm just trying to get out, because this is obviously not where I want to be. Stop. No. Stop it. That's lag. I'm gonna tell myself that that's lag. Now it's your fault. Thanks for accepting responsibility, guy. There's no exit over here. There's no exit over here. Hey, where'd you go? Don't leave me! Oh no, indeed. Bye! No. I am not doing that again. Let me through. If I find water, which it's saying it's above me, but I don't believe it. I'll see that. I'm not crazy. The Nexus? What's the Nexus? Have I finally found something? They said that's a cool achievement. I'm like, is it? I don't know what it is. I'm still behind the wall. Did I get it? What is that? Oh, it spawned obsidian. Damn. Okay. That noise. Going to all. Oh, it's these guys. I know these guys. You see that thing on the wall? They were the ones that also made. Oh, I mean, you guys are harmless, but I'm gonna hit that anyway. Hey, buddies. Meow. Bah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, hello! Oh my god! You're so small!
Hello.
Oh, you're so cute!
Hi, Ami.
Hello. Yeah, I was mining and I found this.
Yeah, I think Ghoul has like a complete of the portals.
What's this one? What does this one do? Getting sticky. Alright, I guess. Oh, yep. He made it. He made it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, hello. We're throwing ender pearls into the beehive. Do you need one?
Nope.
Okay. Oh. I did it. We're going into the Bumble Zone. Hello, Reaptor. Reaptor? Raptor?
A little bit timing though.
Oh!
That's cool.
Oh, wow!
Hi.
Hey guys.
Hi, guys.
It's like a slide.
We are just in the hive. Oh, I gotta
I
fix
think
guys-
someone else.
Ethereum.
Someone else. Someone else.
I'm stuck.
Oh no. Where are you?
Get me out of me. How do
Ah.
I get out?
Ah!
Somebody punch me.
Okay.
That was me.
Holy.
Ah! Wow, yeah, no, you were not kidding.
And now I got.
It's so sticky. It. Oh no! Stop gripping me! Stop gripping me!
No.
Let me go. Let me out. This is not a dance.
Ow.
I guess so. I can't really do.
What did you do?
Oh yeah.
Oh lord.
Getting attacked. You gonna stop?
They are
I
just
need the
following
lesbian
you.
one. Where's the lesbian one? I need you. Come here.
I'm scared to walk around. I feel like I'm gonna
Oh, I
fall
got the
through
wrong one.
something.
Got the wrong one. Oh, right.
Will we
Ow.
able to find the queen?
I
yeah,
think
I
she's
wanna
chasing
find the
Belv.
Ow. Trying to get the
Ugh.
gay one. Did I get it? Ow.
The 10,000 bees.
Ow.
10,000 bees meme. Should I shoot them? Should I get them?
I have weakness right now. It's nighttime.
Eh.
I'm dying.
Yeah.
I'm dying. I'm slowly dying.
Don't die. No, I'm trying.
Becoming quicker. I have no blocks. I'm on blocks.
Are they just spawning? Are there more just spawning?
Be gone. Be gone. Be gone.
Evil bees. Evil
Ow.
bees. Evil bees. I love how I've been shooting at all of them and they're not mad at me. Eh. 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 Eh.
I don't know how to get them. Okay, there. Here are more arrows. There's more arrows down there.
Oh snap! Oh snap!
Somewhere.
Bruh.
Yeah, there you go. Hey, friend along. Ah, yeah. Oh, if only I had a map.
Oh crap!
I shall return. Sit.
Flee! Run away! Ouch. Something on me just broke. Something on me just broke. I have not used my boat yet. Does the boat work? Oh, no it don't. Oh, but it catches bees. Did the Arium stream shut down? Yeah, I figured it did.
Okay, and this, what the heck is this? Yellow concrete.
Ah!
Oh,
That scared me.
some...
Why is this so,
I
so
hear you.
colorful?
Where are you?
Yes,
There
very
you are.
pretty.
Delete.
I have a stinger. What's that mean?
Amazing
I have a stinger.
dimension. And dangerous.
We're all dangerous. Ah! Help. Help. The gardener and the bees? Why is it getting dark? Why does it look like it's getting darker? Ouch. Maybe it's because I can't breathe. Ooh. Dude, holy shit. This is so cool. Someone really said bees. And a bunch of them. In fact, all of them. Please don't buzz at me like that. It scares me. Makes me think that you're gonna get me. Hey guys, how is everybody doing today?